Slime is making its comeback, especially on the one and only TikTok, or TikTok if you're Marisol.
It's my TikTok feed. This creator, it's Christy. She's a prime example. This is
that food?
I
mean, no, it's slime, but it looks like she got something.
Alex Lee, were you into slime back in 2016?
I mean, I did not. It wasn't an extracurricular of mine, but I know a lot of young people, who did, so I partook every now and again. Did you?
I did not, but my nieces did, and my sister every 5 seconds was running out to the craft store to get glue and glitter and other stuff.
I think every child that my sister and I babysat for had oodles of slime at their homes.
It is a great way to keep your kids entertained.
Yeah, and if you need some easy ideas to keep those said children entertained during the holidays, why not try making some slime?
It is great for sensory play. It allows children to be creative. And we know the perfect guests to show us how to make it.
Is it me or does it smell good?
It smells delightful.
Okay, so the Sloomoo Institute in Soho has been making slime and keeping kids, along with the kids at heart, as they say, entertained since it opened in 2019.
Look at these people having the time of their lives.
Oh my God, the slime wall.
Can I go there for my bachelorette party? Will you make that happen?
Mental note.
Okay.
Everyone here heard it. Remind me.
Joining us live this morning is Taylor Nelson, a spokesperson and social media manager for the Sloomoo Institute, along with Chase Killebrew, their resident slimeologist. Well, let me spit spot. Here we go with our slimeologist.
A resident slimeologist.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you guys for coming.
Yeah.
Okay. Why get into this business
of slime?
Wow, that's a good question. Well, what brings us here specifically today and what you should get into this business for on the product side of things is tomorrow is National Slime Day.
You know you've arrived when there is a day dedicated to the thing.
So with that being said, please come to our venue and enjoy National Slime Day with us. And Sloomoo Institute is a experiential destination for all that are ready to tap into their sensory side. So, you know, think touch, smell. As you said, it smells really good in here today.
Can we make some slime?
Please, let's make some slime.
Do we need our resident slimeologist?
We need our resident slimeologist.
When you were a child, did you know this is what you wanted to be when you grew up?
No, I never would have expected.
He's like, immediately no, but here I am. Quick mention of the name tags.
When you go to the Sloomoo.
So yes, so our names say to lure. I'm really Taylor. This is really Chase. But when you replace your vowels in your name with 2 O's, you get from Taylor to Talur, your slime name.
Hello, my Sloomoo name is, let's see, I'm...
Alux?
Oh, no, there's no A. So O-O-L-O-O-X.
All right, well, what do we, can we...
All right, you get started.
Yeah.
How do we do this business?
So we're gonna start making butter slime.
Butter slime?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I have here all our ingredients already mixed. We have lotion, scent. Today I went with sugary cereal as our slime scent.
That's why
I do smell that.
That's why it smells really good.
That's why it smells so yummy.
And then all I have to do now is add our slime activator, which is going to bring it all together and turn it into slime.
What is that?
Slime. So this is glue, lotion.
Glue, lotion.
That smells like breakfast
Cereal.
which is divine.
Amazing.
Yes.
And this
and then
special
activator, which is our special mixture that will turn it into slime.
Okay.
Wow.
So I'm going to add a couple spoonfuls.
Okay.
And I'm just going to start
how
mixing.
many times have you done this?
Probably thousands. I mean, more than I could ever
He's like,
count.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, and you got a little
So
spatula.
yeah, so I just start mixing.
Here I am thinking I was going to do it with my hands. Not yet.
Okay.
No, we'll get to that.
All right, here.
Yeah.
I'll do this,
mixing.
and you, because I have a question for you. Very important. I've heard this can be messy. How do you, if it gets on the clothes, should we be alarmed?
No, not at all. We have, you can use white vinegar, and that will take it right out. Just rub it in. We also have a slime eraser kit that will
On cue.
Y'all have
take
thought
that
of
all right out for you.
Tulu is very busy.
Tulu's over there. I hear her. I can't really see
Do you
her.
want to play with some?
So this,
Money,
this
why don't you
turns
go play?
into this.
Yeah, so once you keep mixing, and it's really important that you mix it extremely well to get out all the lumps and clumps. Just a few minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes.
It smells
depending
like
on how
that
fast,
cereal with the guy, the bird. He's rainbow colored and he has the little circles. You know what I'm talking? Yes, thank you. I wasn't sure if I could say it.
The toucan.
Tell us about the activities you have coming up at the Sloomoo Institute.
Absolutely. So as we know, the holidays are here, and we are open through the holidays, including New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. We call it Noon Year's, which means at noon, we're doing a slime drop into our slime lake.
Perfect.
So amazing things happening throughout the rest of the year.
I am mesmerized. I've never seen you
this
work
is very
hard.
cathartic. I can see why the kids at heart would even be into
You can
this.
visit the Sloomoo Institute in Soho. The address is on your screen. You can also find out more info at SlooMooInstitute.com.
Look at this cake. Let me see this. Is this
This
slime?
is fantastic.
This is a squishy.
Oh my God, amazing.